artificial intelligence.
Do you think AI will completely replace human jobs in the future?
AI is unlikely to completely replace human jobs, but it will substantially transform the labor market. Roles centered on repetitive, data-driven tasks are highly vulnerable to automation. However, positions requiring creativity, emotional intelligence, ethical reasoning, and complex problem-solving remain difficult for AI to replicate because genuine human judgment is still beyond its reach. Rather than wholesale replacement, the future will likely see a collaborative model where humans focus on higher-level responsibilities while AI handles routine processes. This shift demands proactive investment in reskilling and will simultaneously open new opportunities in fields such as AI maintenance, digital services, and the creative industries.